Are you suffering from breast milk supply? Do you have low milk supply? Gather here, let's talk. Hello mothers, you're welcome to The Coming Mom. Kindly subscribe, like, comment and share with other moms too. Breastfeeding is a mother's gift to herself and her baby. Breastfeeding is a symbol of compassion, a feeling of great closeness to your bundle of joy. Do not worry if you are not lactating well or not lactating at all. I have few tips to share with you. I love this topic so much. I've shared my tips with over tens of mothers and I'm impressed with their feedbacks. Today I'll share tips to increase your breast milk supply and foods to eat to increase your breast milk. I like telling people about my experience. My husband once said that if anyone listens to you about baby care, they will have premium journey in motherhood. When I had my first son, mothers, you need to see how I was lactating. My breast pray, my nursing bras were full of milk. So today, first thing I will tell you is to worry less. Don't be too anxious and stay positive, absolutely positive. How to increase your breast milk supply? How to increase your breast milk supply? Tip number 1. Many people take this trivial, but it is important that you ensure your baby is attaching rightly and sucking milk efficiently from the breast. Avoid the scissors method. Use the C method of holding your breast. It helps to increase milk supply. Put your baby to breast. Don't bend over to your baby. Bring your baby close to your breast. Tip number 2. Get lactation cookies if you've tried the attachment method. There is one that is tried and tested, the milk booster. It works wonder. Or use this easy lactation cookie recipe. 2 cups white flour, 2 cups oats, 1 tablespoon wheat germ, 1/4 cup of brewer's yeast, 1 cup butter softened, 3 egg yolks, half cup white sugar, half brown sugar, 1.5 teaspoons pure vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, half tablespoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of flaxseed meal. Directions: 1. Preheat oven to 175 degrees centigrade. 2. Mix the flaxseed meal with water in small bowl and soak for at least 5 minutes. Keep that aside. Direction 3. Cream the butter and white and brown sugar in a large mixing bowl. Add egg yolks and the vanilla extract, then apply the flaxseed meal and water. Roll dough into 2 inches, like 2 inches balls, and place 2 inches apart on a baking sheet. Bake for 10 to 20 minutes or until edges start to golden. Let the cookie stand on the baking sheet for 1 minute before you bring it down. Tip number 3. Eat foods like kunu. Kunu is recommended for nursing mothers as it helps to increase the flow of the milk. Kunu is a popular drink mostly in the northern part of Nigeria. It is made from a grain such as millet, maize. Kunu is richly packed with unsaturated fat and all the necessary vitamins B, vitamin C, A and K are embedded in it. Garlic and ginger. Adding garlic and ginger will also boost breast milk supply for you. Eating these two will help you produce more milk to feed your child with. Water. Enough water will keep your breast milk flowing. Drink more water today. Tip number 4. Breastfeed more often. Breastfeed more often, even if it's not like keep breastfeeding your baby. When your baby suckles your breast, hormones that trigger your breast to produce milk are released. Breastfeeding your new baby 8 to 12 times a day can help establish and maintain milk production. Tip number 5. Breastfeed from both sides. Ensure you empty each breast before offering the second breast to your baby. Have your baby feed from both breasts at each feeding. Let your baby feed from the first breast until they slow down or stop feeding before offering the second breast. I hope these tips helped. Kindly share with other moms too. Thank you for sticking around. Bye.